dog doing?
So hi guys, this is my final look for my baccalaureate mass. And yung uniform or yung gala ko, dun ko nasusuotin kasi ayoko siyang magsuot. Gusto ko makita nilang planchado muna ako. Or sobrang straight ng uniform ko bago siya magsuot pag umupo ako. Punta na ako sa school na nakaganito. Nakasasakyan naman kami, so hindi naman ako makita nakaganito talaga. Kaya yun, update ko na lang kayo later. So, hi guys! Nandito na ako sa sasakyan. Nalabas ko na yung sasakyan and nandiyan na yung mga gamit ko. Nailagay ko na siya kanina. May mga dala rin kami mga makeup kasi may makeupan ko pa si mommy. And yung kapatid ko, sasakyan na lang din mag-makeup kasi kakagising niya lang. Tapos na kami and hinihintay ko na lang sila lumabas. Actually, after nun pa yung event nung sa amin. Inagahan ko lang kasi yung parking sa Perpetual is limited. So, yun. Iniisip ko yung parking. Ako yung magdadrive. Baka mahasal pa kami kung mamaya pa ako alis. And yung lunch namin, bibili na lang kami dun sa mga madadaanan namin. So, yun guys. Update ko na lang kayo later. Hi guys! Mommy, say hi! So, yun guys. Nasa Perpetual na kami and nakapag-lunch na kami. Naayusan ko na rin si Mommy and si Glide nakapag-ayos na rin siya. So, mamaya magbibis ako. Hinihintay ko lang mag-12 kasi 12:30 daw kami aakyat. Hi! Yan guys, we're waiting na lang mag-start ang misa.
Lord, hear our prayer. Let us pray for our parents who offer their lives and sacrifices for their children. May we continue to strive and assist all children in molding them with Christian values and be an instrument for God's love and mercy towards all. Let us pray to the Lord. Lord, hear our prayer.
One of the things that we need to understand, you are now going out of our medical university with your whole self performing.
Micah May Sevillano.
You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation again. So, let me tell you my story. 2 years ago, I've decided to go back to school for my bachelor's degree. I never thought that I'm gonna be the president of Madonna Child Society from the College of Midwifery for school year 2023 and 2024. It is not even in my bingo card. But it happened, so I put all my hard work on it. Thanks for those who believe in me. After that year, I became more and more competitive, and even more tired and unhealthy. Kidding aside, through the years, I've learned to surround myself with good people and peaceful environment. I can definitely say that with good and right people, everything feels lighter, even in your most stressing day. Thank you people for making this journey less stressful and painful. This success would not be possible without you. Now, we are here.
So where are we? We are now here at the Village of Newport because today is my graduation day.
hereby request that they be conferred their corresponding degree and all the privileges appertaining thereto.
Paano'y tagumpay ni Sol Aragones. Para sa inyong lahat, ang kwento ko ay parang pang-MMK. Si Sol Aragones ay taga San Pablo.
Nenes Rosemary Manakop, Registered Midwife. Dr. Jose G. Tamayo, Clinical Excellence Award. Best in Thesis. Sagodine K. Lawrence, Registered Midwife. Dr. Josefina L. Tamayo Leadership Award. Best in Thesis. Title, Factors Influencing Midwifery Students' Decision to Choose Midwifery as a Profession.
Gonzalez Jasmine Gotan, Registered Medical Technologist. Grimaldo Elaine Kathleen Lolay. Miss Angelica Gumawit, Registered Midwife. Top 7 of the November 2024 Midwifery Licensure Examination.
If nakaabot man kayo sa clip na to, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay hydrated, not broken-hearted. See you on my next one. Bye!